Hi, I'm Kendra Kelly with The Pampered Chef, and today we're talking about frosting consistency. It's very important when you're decorating that you use the right consistency. So usually your first step is to do a crumb coat on a cake, and that is when you want a thin consistency frosting, which is over here. The best way to tell is put your frosting in a small bowl, put your spreader in it, and as soon as it just falls to the side, you know you have a thin consistency frosting. You'd also use it for something like a writing tip. Then medium, which is a medium consistency, is one that you'll use for a majority of decorating. When you do this one, your spreader will just kind of slightly fall to the side and then kind of remain there. And then finally, when you want a very stiff frosting, the spreader will remain upright in there. And usually this is when you want a really, crisp, defined edge for your decorating. In the middle of creating your frosting, sometimes you accidentally make it a little too thin. You just add a little powdered sugar to it to help thicken it up. Or if you were mixing and it got a little too thick, just add a little water or milk, and then it will get to the consistency you need. Then you're ready to decorate.